So to be honest, you should be making a career change if you're thinking about that question at all. That's your body telling you, that's it bubbling to the surface, saying, hey, you're not happy here. Think about something else. All right, and put it into perspective. When you like something, your mind tells you, your body tells you, your actions tell you. You never ask yourself, do I like this? It's just natural, it happens. And the same goes for the inverse. When you're not happy, your body's telling you. So you should be making a career change. You should be exploring it at least if you're asking yourself that question. Now, how do you start to explore it? How do you make a change? Now, I suggest you look at all of the different job opportunities. Find one that you're interested in, and then starting to get testimonial or calling or interviewing people that do that job specifically. And that's exactly what Nexus's CEO, Nick Dagnillo, did. When he was pondering a new career, he looked online first and found property manager jobs. He saw that they paid $40,000, $50,000, wasn't too impressed. So he said, you know what? What does it take to open my own company? So then what he did was he interviewed local property managers themselves face to face and asked them, what do you like about it? What do you not like? What do you suggest for somebody new? Okay, and he gathered all that information and he put together a hell of a successful company. So that's not a guarantee that you're going to be as equally successful. Okay, he got lucky, but he did, and he put his chips and cards in the best position that he could. He played his hand to the best of his abilities. So you need to do the same. You can't just stay at this job that you're pissed off with, you hate your boss, you've hit a ceiling, you're not advancing, and just hope that something happens. Hope that you win the lotto. You'd probably go broke if you won it anyways. You need to take steps. You need to be proactive and learn to see what you don't like. Maybe you do an internship. Maybe you shadow with somebody. As a matter of fact, I have somebody, a gentleman, who's interested in opening his own business. He doesn't know what, but he's going to shadow with me this upcoming Monday. So kudos to him. He's taking steps to get immersed. And that's the point. If you're thinking about a career change, start to get immersed in fields that you want to, that you feel are right for you. And if you don't like them, perfect. Keep looking. But I don't suggest quitting your job and then trying to find a new one, because chances are you're going to be rushed in making that decision because you maybe need money, you need benefits, you need somebody to stop bothering you, you need a new home, whatever. So you're just going to jump in somewhere with a paycheck. So you should be looking for your next job while you're working for your current job, okay? Now, any feedback you have on this topic, just post a comment below. I know this is very opinionated, but it's just from my experience, okay? It's not wrong, it's not right. You don't have to like it, and you don't have to love it, okay? Once again, Greg from Nexus Property Management. We're here in Springfield, Massachusetts. Your property managed.